Hey, what's going on, my people? Olayinka Taiwo is here again, and today we are going to talk on how to get pre-sale of NFT, how to get into pre-sale, that when they take it to the market, you can quickly make good money. So the website to go to is CoinMarketCap. When you get to CoinMarketCap, look at this cryptocurrency exchanges NFT. When you put your cursor on NFT, you can only do this on your laptop. I tried to do it on my the app. I could not do it. So now you just come down here to upcoming sales. You come to upcoming sales, then you see the list of upcoming NFT they will be launching. So here we are. You can see a lot of them. You can see a lot of them. You see their Discord. You can see their Discord group. You can see now. Let me show you something quickly. Now, look at this. Look at this Bossy Girls Club. This at pre-sale is going to be 9 hours at pre-sale. You are going to get it for half the price, 0.05 Ethereum. You're going to get it for this price. Out when they launch at sale, the day they launch, you can flip it immediately for 100% interest. If you for 100%, let's do that is how to make money. Flipping NFT. So you come to this pre-sale, but before you do that, you need to quickly check the website, check if they have great backers, check the people that are backing them, check the Discord members. At least if they have like 10,000 to 20,000 Discord member, then you can do that. Now look at this also, crypto tanks. This one, the pre-sale is 0.08 Ethereum, which is about $151. And the day they are launching, it will go for 0.1 Ethereum, which is from a calculation $189. So that means within a week you have made $38 on your money. So this is how to buy and flip NFT, going through checking the one that are launching. Sometimes you also see free NFT to mint. So, and you see free NFT to mint. But what you need to do is that you get to their website, you click on this, check their website, you see who is backing it, how many people, how many group they have, how many and everything they have. So do that one. You do your own diligence research. So this is today's tips for how to buy NFT at pre-sale price.